disappears back to the program. I return to earth, feeling so low down. Someone else is stealing my seat.